Hey, and welcome back to another video. Dustin here from the Gravity team. AI is a powerful tool that can really help you optimize the way you work. But where do you start? In this new series of videos, we want to look at effective ways you can use AI in different fields. So let's kick this series off with 3 ways you can use AI as a marketer to enhance your business strategies. For our first tip, a really powerful tool at your disposal as a marketer is using AI to analyze your marketing reports for key business insights. For instance, did you know you can submit your G4A reports from Google Looker Studio to ChatGPT? Just head to your Looker Studio dashboard and export your report as a PDF. Then you can upload the report to ChatGPT and generate key takeaways. For example, I can see at a glance that my new user acquisition is strong, however my engagement metrics need optimizing. I can also see that the majority of my traffic came from mobile devices, and my top traffic sources were direct and organic. With AI, I can speed up the time I spend analyzing reports and make more informed marketing decisions. If needed, I could even ask follow-up questions, such as what happened to conversion rates last week, or can you summarize key changes over the past 2 weeks? And that's only one way you can use ChatGPT to inform your processes. If you use forms on your WordPress site, you'll want to take advantage of our second tip, using AI to get a better understanding of what fields and questions will lead to better conversions. As an example, I've asked ChatGPT for help on what fields to include on a lead capture form for a SaaS company. I've been given a breakdown of essential fields to have on my form, like name, email, company name, and phone number, as well as explanations for why each field is important. But beyond just essential fields, ChatGPT also details fields I can use to help qualify and segment leads more effectively, as well as fields that will help me better understand my leads' motivations and expectations. This information can be especially helpful if you are looking to provide leads with a demo of your product or service. I've also been given tips for best practices when creating my form, such as limiting the amount of fields I present users with initially, and using A/B testing to find the ideal form length. Like before, I can ask follow-up questions to gather more data. If I'm looking to build a new form, for example, it might be a good idea to ask for input on how to label my fields to better increase form completion rates. And for content writers out there, our last tip is a handy one, which is using AI to brainstorm new articles and content strategies. A word of warning, however, be careful not to rely too heavily on tools like ChatGPT when drafting content, as many users will be able to tell when an article is written by AI. Instead, try using AI as a launchpad for ideas and structuring your writing. And if you're ever worried that something you are writing relies too heavily on AI, you might want to consider installing the Grammarly app and using their AI detection tool. The AI detection tool will check your writing for plagiarism and common AI text patterns. If it detects any issues, consider rewording your content to sound more natural. Grammarly can even help in that regard by offering suggestions to improve your sentence structure and voice. An especially handy feature of Grammarly is that it works pretty much anywhere you write, from Google Docs to WordPress, which will help you create more natural-sounding content, no matter the platform. We hope this video gave you some insights and new ideas into ways you can use AI to boost your marketing efforts. What tips do you have? Let us know in the comments, and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos in this series. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.